dance, every note of a song. It's all the gift undeserved that I shouldn't have known. Every day that I lie, every moment I'm covered. I'm deserving to die, I'm just earning your judgment. Without the cross, there's only condemnation. If Jesus wasn't executed, there's no celebration. So in times that are good, in times that are bad, for any times that I've had it all, I will be glad. And I will boast to the cross, I'll boast to my pains. I will boast to the sunshine, boast to this rain. What's my life if it's not praising you? Another dollar in my bank account, a vain pursuit. I do not count my life as any value or precious at all. Let me finish my race, let me answer my call.
It's not because of the game at all. I can hear you, feel you, cause I need you. You walk this circle, I recognize I'm not my own. So I need to hear you, feel you, as I get to make my boast in you alone.
Promise, what it is we swear. Think we holding our own, just a fistful of air. God has never been obligated to give us life. If we fought for our rights, we'd be in hell tonight. Mere sinners owe nothing but a fierce hand. We never loved him, we pushed away his pierced hands. I rejected his love, grace, kindness, and mercy. Dying of thirst, yet willing to die thirsty. Eternally worthy, how could I live for less? Patiently, you turn my heart away from selfishness. I volunteer for your sanctifying surgery. I know the Spirit's purging me of